How to disable your Instagram account temporarily. So if you want to deactivate your account without deleting it, then first go and load up the Instagram app. You could then head over to your profile page and click on the settings bar in the top right hand side of the screen. From your settings window, click on Meta Account Center, and then you'll need to scroll down and select Manage Accounts. Now click on the Manage button next to the account that you want to deactivate. Click on Deactivation or Deletion. So you have two options to either delete your account permanently, or you can select Deactivate your account, and this basically means it will be deactivated until you log back in, and when you sign back into the account, it will be reactivated. So I'm going to select Deactivate and press Continue. And you'll need to enter your Instagram password to confirm these changes. You may need to select a reason why you want to deactivate, so select any of these options, and then you can just press Deactivate Account. Once you've done that, you'll be signed out of your account and your account will now be disabled. When you sign back into your account, it will automatically be re-enabled.